There are many tools which intend to help programmers improve code quality. Often the assistance provided by these tools boils down to long to-do lists of dull, repetitive tasks. Let's look at how the Moderne platform can automate this tedium away so that we can enjoy high-quality code without the drudgery. This is our common static analysis recipe, which automates fixes for dozens of common anti-patterns and mistakes. The recipe is now running across over 100 open source repositories. For each change, we estimate how much time was saved by running the recipe over making the same change by hand. So far, we've only been generating diffs, making no alterations to the repositories themselves. Let's take a look at one of those diffs to see the code smells and anti-patterns that the recipe has cleaned up. Here we see changes like putting the array indicator in the canonical place for a Java field. Changes like adding braces around the contents of a single statement if. And if we're ever curious why a particular change was made, we can click here to see which of the recipes made the change and why. And if we like what we see here, we can issue commits or pull requests or forks. Whatever approach makes sense for your workflow and your organization. Bad code quality has real impact on programmer productivity, but manual efforts to remediate often stall because the work is so tedious that human programmers will seek out more meaningful, impactful work. Moderne automates away the dull tedium so that people can focus on the real challenges.